Okay, welcome to this vlog. So in this vlog what we're going to talk about is how to create a mini course from scratch in 3 steps. Now this is taken from a blog done by one of our guest bloggers and also a top guy on our platform that helps with our community, and that is Amit Arora. Amit Arora has done lots of workshops with us and he loves course creation and helping people out. So this is by him. I'm narrating it and I'm following his steps. So follow these 3 simple steps to get your first mini course created. What we're going to do first is the on-demand, concise and focused learning experiences has grown exponentially in today's fast-paced and knowledge-driven world. This has led to a rise in mini courses, which provide learners with targeted information on specific topics in a short amount of time. Now, I am giving my viewpoint on this post as we work through it, and I'm not covering everything, so go to the blog and read Amit's full blog with every little bit. But I want to touch on this massive point. Mini, micro workshops, way to go. Mini courses, way to go. Why? Small courses focusing on 1 or 2 key points are going to stick in your memory. If they stick in your memory, you're going to learn and move on to the next one. And this is an adaptive learning method. It's psychologically proven to be better for retention of your students with the information that you're offering them. Short, bite-sized, quick wins are what people want in this fast-paced world. Okay? So we're trying to give them micro content that is of value that they can get and do straight away. And this is what this is all about. So these mini courses are really cool. So first of all, choosing a topic. So when creating a mini course from scratch, the crucial step of choosing a topic requires careful consideration to ensure alignment with both creators' expertise and the market demand. Okay? Very important subject. Brainstorming strategies within the broader topic can help identify potential subtopics for the mini course. So when we're talking about this, we're talking about, let's just take the subject of funnels. Main broad subject. Lead generation. Okay. Marketing funnels, subtopic. Okay. And we'll make it a lead magnet. So just a simple PDF download. 1 mini subject. The next mini workshop in that could be video series funnels. Do you see what I mean? Mini broken down under 1 big topic that you can build upon. This gets you going very quickly with your first mini course that can be extended and turned into a mega course, but with bite-sized mini workshops contained within. This is important. So you need to be creating an outline just like I did there, and that is a way that you can build upon what you've done. Now we know that one of the prime keys here is you should always allow for your students or members to have a next step in the journey, and this approach can make that very easy to do. So plan that out, plan how you want to do it, and you're on your road to success. So publishing and promoting. The process of launching and promoting a mini course involves several steps. Select an online course creation platform like Zenler. I personally highly recommend Zenler for creating and hosting mini courses because it's absolutely perfect. Replicating the course outline in the chosen platform allows the course creator to easily transfer their course content and make it accessible to learners in a very quick amount of time. Utilizing marketing channels to effectively reach a wider audience and promote the mini course. Email marketing is valuable for engaging potential learners and collecting valuable feedback. So once you get them to sign in there, keep that communication going as you move forward to give them the launch. So creating a pre-launch sales page to generate excitement and collect email addresses. This helps build anticipation for course launch and creates a buzz around the mini course. Okay, so pre-sign up forms inside your sales page. Yeah, do that before you've got your content ready. You're already collecting people and you can market it before you've produced what you need to produce. another key to moving forwards very quickly with these mini course workshops. So the conclusion of this is creating a mini course from scratch in these steps is an effective way to share knowledge and gather feedback. You can develop and deliver a mini course quickly by choosing a topic aligned with your expertise and the market demand. Creating a course outline that focuses on problem solving and value, and utilizing tools like Microsoft PowerPoint, Canva, so many tools. You can get to the job and get it done in a very, very quick amount of time. So a lovely little blog post by Amit. Definitely check it out by hitting the link in the description. Guys, it's another vlog from us at Zenler.